on the way to another dragon pass.
Those nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those nice pants.
Day 2, Kayla going through the dragon.
Full tires, wet road.
Yep. You're the one you gotta watch out for, not me. You're the one that likes to be Mr. Speedy Speed. Downshifter, we ain't getting anywhere, Kayla.
All right, good morning, YouTube. This is day 2 of East Tennessee, man. Starting the day out right with a dragon pass or two, and then we're heading to Blood Mountain in Georgia. All right.
There he goes, already losing me.
What is this guy doing?
What guy?
Oh, man, he's a photographer.
Where?
Had I known that, we could have freaking held hands, damn it.
It's Killboy.
Yeah, get it, bro.
Ooh.
Actually, I think that was PJ.
Was it?
I think so.
With a red racing suit?
Yeah.
Might have been. Look at the butterfly. It's such a clear day for pictures. Wow.
Them views.
Oh, maybe he's picking that bike up? Hope nothing happened to him. Oh, he's walking it. Don't laugh. He could have gotten hurt.
There's 2 possible options, okay? 1,
It's too hard?
it's too hard for him. 2, his Harley broke down.
I mean, for me, I don't care what type of bike you're riding. I give you credit if you try and do this, but don't talk a bunch of shit if your Harley falls. Technical road, no matter what you're on.
Yeah.
That view, though.
That view, though.
Oh, let's slow down. We're in the corner, everybody.
Ride his brakes the whole way through.
Come on, buddy.
Wow.
You're not even going to pull over?
Really, bro?
When we stop at the Gap, we'll have to see if TJ's there.
Yeah.
You got to look for one of 20 bikes, so...
I know the Triumph.
Do you know, like, his normal, like, riding bike? What was that?
The Triumph Speed Triple.
How am I doing?
How?
Yeah.
Splendid. Excelente. Maybe like see if any of them are PJ. Ah, what a beautiful time to be alive.
What, when this place exists?
Yeah. So, change of plans, my children. Instead of doing Blood Mountain today, we're going to do the Cherohala Skyway on good old PJ's word of wisdom. He thinks we maybe should have left a little bit earlier, so I will heed his advice.
Heeded.
Heeded.
Take heed.
Head. The code.
What movie is that from?
That's from The Office.
So you can imagine my frustration as safety officer when nobody would when no one headed.
Take headed of.
No one would take headed of my instructions.
Heed.
So
Take heed
and
of.
I don't see my coworkers
heed of.
heeding this right now.
What is that?
Oh, boy.
Look at that.
The views, though.
Holy cow. Oh, there's a bunch of boats down there. Oh.
Beautiful. I forget the views, man.
From the Skyway?
Gee Louise.
Or just the views in general?
And Jen. Sharp curves and turns. Next 25 miles.
Cherohala Skyway. Oh, here's our first pull-off. Oh, look at that view.
This is officially the Cherohala Skyway.
So up 5,000 feet and 18 miles.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, beautiful.
Dude.
I've missed you.
Oh, man.
Like, puts our Adirondack Mountains to shame.
Oh, God. There's got to be just as many curves on the Cherohala Skyway as there is in the Dragon, but stretched out over a longer distance.
25 miles. Rather than 11.
It's amazing, man. Okay. Climbing the mountains. Whoa, those clouds are moving fast. That's just because they're right above us, though. I don't know if the camera can catch it. They're like right above us because we're so high in elevation. The clouds are like right there. That's cool.
We should almost be at the highest part, shouldn't we?
I would think so.
Oh, look at it.
I think this is the highest point. This is almost 54.
5390.
5390. How high we are.
Yeah, look how fast the clouds are going down.
Yo, that's wild.
Blue over here to our left, gray to the right.
Clouds are moving so fast. I think, like I said, I think they just look like they're moving fast because they're so close to us. Yeah, so if I'm not mistaken, this is the highest point that we go to.
I think it tells you.
5390. I don't think there is another one. Onward and upward. There's a view. Wow.
I think that's the highest.
5240, so we're going down now.
Oh. I thought there was something that said it was the highest point, though. On the Skyway.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, no. How come you're out wide?
Huh?
How come you were out wide?
I've been riding wide, so I can, like, ride tandem with you, kind of. Not, like, exactly tandem, but kind of at your, like, 5 o'clock. Makes for some good shots. Oh, yes. Oh, man, this guy, did you hear that? It's like $2 at once.
Like a rock.
We definitely did do the Skyway, because the Skyway is where we rounded a blind corner, and there was just a van just stopped in the middle of the road, like, taking pictures of a tree. Like, they were out of the van. No hazard, no signal, not pulled over, directly in the middle of the road.
Taking pictures of a tree? Leaf looker?
Yeah. They had their van door open, like the slider on the driver's side, so there was a guy sitting in like that part right there, and I rev bombed him as I went by. Bounced off the rev limiter and everything. What kind of views we got? Beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
They're in the mountains, I'm sure they're all beautiful.
Beautiful mountains.